All right, Rodney, here's your 363 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's all aluminum, Shelby block. Got a set of AFR Shelby heads on it. The logo there. Obviously, it's a Borla stack injection. Got the GT40 front end on it. Make sure to do your injector harness for the GT40. Fuel management, Holley Terminator, custom grind hydraulic roller. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 431 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque, 463, really flat in there. That's really awesome. That's the stack injection. It always runs a little bit better on the bottom than the top. Top it runs 520, so front end's about 15, so we rated at 530, so that's pretty good even for a stack. So everything good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. See if you're in, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. And the crate will be this engine spec sheet. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.